Tori inside Tori, my own name na senior landlord and day today na 7 of April 2026. When I come good, na time for Chakara Tori. One time I carry una enter that side for Bamboo Fundong Road. The driver them wey dey drive for the road where they carry passenger them. They don't come out talk say they no dey follow them. Again, them they don't hold strike. Why? Because they talk say for the road that they over suffer. When they carry passenger them, they will kidnap them, kidnap the passenger them. They ask them kind of heavy money. They say me they pay 50,000 them, 100,000 them, and wait for them for even get that money safe. It's not easy. And then when they bring passenger them, they just call some kind of figure them. May they pay the one, pay that. Them say harassment, extortion them, kidnapping. They talk say they don't tire. They say only for start from around that kind of Saturday, Sunday. They don't bring more than 16 motor them for that side. Then they carry for them, they go down for inside bush. So they don't talk so which say they never walk them again. So as I talk for now, so drive them for Bamboo and Fundong Road, they dey for on top serious strike. Them say buru buru. They don't just run them inside their house. They talk so which say they never carry them passenger again. Still for inside thing that happen for inside PE. We meet up this university lecturer where they call say Professor Mesanga Nyamdek. We say the man to na strong supporter to for Papa P. The man don't come on for us on TV program. It talks say Cameroon opposition now them be the last people they not get power no small and it talks with it. Say their life no students so they bend so. He say when one get problem, the other one them they just shut down they like say they know it's nothing. But now when should I say Papa P want do something after now you see they will come on I can begin talk. He say for them for putting for one mob say na lie. So they only turn. They talks what he say their life straight, no smaller. Still for inside Jariba, that happen for inside PE. I carry when I enter that side from Chang. We pass, we go for their council officer as we near for this one. Now we put it that side the commander, the typhoid, the vex well. Them so they do to the conservative protest. They talk say plenty money and they will they not pay them salary and they not get money. One for job, one for pay house, one for even pay bill them. Their life, they only strong now for strong since Monday when they come out for road, they do buru. Now they see different, they cry, they talk to it, make government, he look them, he sorry them, he pay their salary because they don't tire. Still for inside Jariba, they happen for inside PE, I carry on enter that side for Yaoundé. Work at the company where they come and which imagine it to the don't come out now, they cry. They beg government, say make government try we put them up, talk for that company, say make they pay them because you don't mean now 40 months. 40 months them where they never get salary. So they talk to they already tell them saying they go. So they don't tire, they don't wait. So they grass don't grow under their foot. They don't feel pay B, they don't feel take care for their family them, they don't feel take care for even for their own self. They are beginning they cry every day, so one day they sick, even quarter self, but they already work. Now for work, they talk to what you say they don't tire, so they matter, they don't pass them. Still for inside Jariba, they pass for inside PE. We meet all this guy, they come and say, 237 Palava. They don't come on at the accused Salama, they come and say, future. They talk, say, since we future, you blow for inside Palava, the blogging work, they don't kind of shine now, pass now, all man, then and they cover now. They can make enough for the way the other blogger them, they never be able now for blow again, or they never be able for shine. All man, they only look and say, future. It talks with future now it gets on different fake account then we the user now for report different for their own page. I'm saying different blogger them they make enough the way their engagement you go now for down then only owner then they go for upper. Future thing I don't come I can't talk with you know all the thing with this guy talk I should say they don't forget on their problem before. So you don't know another problem now they make another guy don't frustrate can keep all the kind of thing them. So we don't know we that we say that country get as CB. And maybe the first time this way talk the common say future money, you know, clean money. They get us they also which will only near to nafunye. Still for inside the very jariba they happen for inside PE. Sabi say himra when at this Ivora measure when he can beef Kosi. Kosi can't talk say no day for day Jovi can't talk say you know be man picking. Now anyway, Kosi na come on a beef Jovi. Jovina he come back and now wait 24 hours in my village. So coach now be talk something they talk say na Jovina make an away Pascal is Tana, the shine. So Jovina don't come on, I can't clear the air. Talk say Pascal there for new bed like a picking. So they work together, work after some time Pascal can't tell you say Ipa in a mommy, they don't tell you say make it stop music, go for school. From then it be move all the music then way they for inside their fire. We and Pascal they don't do a one then we beat them all thing it say okay as you go you so stay fine. Before 1 year now say Pascal they don't go sign for another new record label. You know me up to 2 months they scatter for the now that record label now we call now is sending documents. Say before you want work with Pascal again, they need to pay money way they don't put am on top Pascal skin. Joey talks if don't look the matter to you two should don't too quiet. He talks by the time when they want sign Pascal, no man no send a book. Now after we should say they don't get problem after they send a book. So Jovina don't come out talk say he and Pascal they don't get no problem. And even till now, so all the song then where they will do you know ever talk say make Pascal not perform that song for any place. So he talks with Pascal go continue go for in front only for proper way. Say he way and Pascal path inside dengue. You never block Pascal for any place. So that thing where Kosi come out can talk say na Jovi the block Pascal is star. Oh na Jovi look and say oh because if Pascal go shine pass here, I will drive for new bench and say waiting a big liar. Still for inside thing that happen for inside PE, the Russian embassy that side for Yaoundé, they don't come on they move book. They talk say at least 16 Cameroon and them they don't quarter for that side for Russia since we did war with stuff there around 2022. So I'm saying they fight after side with Russia and Ukraine. They did for the but the number then they will do for social media they plenty they pass this one well and they come here and they still go for that side for Ukraine for go join the war. Just know say you must quarrel because the side where they will send you for dinner very dangerous and you don't know you that side, no be your country. So if you go of that side for Russia, for go join Poland, for go fight for Ukraine, no, just put RIP for your name before you want join because almost all man we go for they already call them. So one and they way they not even know na side way they see that the one day way they see the way we they still go for go join. But one day where they see get for go fight, just don't say they must quarrel you. No be your country, no be your tenant. You don't know what you go fight. I don't know who to go fight them. That mean them they fight war now with the technology. Why will you go fight now with your own common sense? From there, they go just brush you, finish your man. Still, for inside thing that happen for inside PE, I carry when I enter that side for do this man so now he gets some hotel from do the thing big well hotel so where the class with Santana Hotel. The man don't come on a taxi. That's some story they come out for outside the fly the taxi no cancel. They already buy that hotel from me to say that story na pop or lie. Say me no man, you know here. This man with him now Usmanu gang na man don't come out taxi that talk so na big lie. Say he never say hotel, you know get plan for sell 'em and as that hotel dey so the owners wetin make am work for the hotel make am say make the hotel even big enough for big sef again and put different better thing for there so that make the thing dey boom well so the talk wey for the kind of father talk say the man wan sell hotel na lie talk wey comot na for people wey dey talk wetin wey dem no even know or the only waka na dey carry lie dem dey talk am outside for social media. Still for inside thing wey dey happen for inside PE as me I dey talk now so plenty road dey for inside Yaoundé wey dey fix am and dey work for on top trunk the one time say before 15 go wan reach 15 of April sabi say Pope dey can Cameroon small time the one time say make that road they must already upgrade am. They make am say make the thing dey for now don come out come talk say oh e mean say if you say Pope no dey calm no man for can fix road dem. They work for on top trunk down now because say Pope dey calm. Na him wey show na say they don't remember people. The program come on we keep look at it, talks with Minister of Urban Housing, Minister of Transport, delegate them for town planning, we keep their own work way all time the only 1 month. Wait, say make some big man when they come for inside Boko before now they come up between do thing the way they supposed for do them normally. So don't talk with this fashion, so now very bad fashion because they talk say by the time Pope don't come now go in and then now they could wash their hand them, they move am. Till now we don't know if they decide they make Pope the pass for them now they go carry all the dirty move am or they will still leave am for there. No man, he no sabi. Still for inside thing that happen with inside PE, we meet up a minister for higher education. They call say Professor Jacques Famindongo. He don't come out can talk say this thing way it do happen for Cameroon. That say place for vice president. He talks say the thing he pass fine. I thought the thing be genuine and legit because what parliamentarian them and senator them they vote and he talks say 205 they vote for talk say yes. Hey, Papa appoint vice president. He talks say for ye they no get no problem because wetin na thing wey senator dem and parliament dem dey go vote am. No be na something wey some one man just run for some place e just think am. E talk say if to say na Papa P we just run just write book for on top the thing. He say if for tie first, but he talk say as how way na parliament and senate they approve the thing and constitutional council our different minister dem he talk say wetin make am and them they take as how way na lawmaker dem they don talk say yes say make the thing e go before because he talk say wetin lawmaker dem na they know wetin way e go make am say make Cameroon e go for before for proper way yeah. Still for inside Jariba then happen for inside pays I carry una enter that site for Yaoundé according to Chuchu and Dignot. Yesterday some mama carry collars e follow a new poem. Wetin happen? Chuchu talk say the mama we get some meter we all time the meter the lady carry beat them they go now only for up. Mama talk say no they use nothing, no fish, nothing. But all time bid only they come plenty. High. Mama talk say don't complain. So say it tires. So the mama now decide now go buy na different meter now. They can't change that one now, put down for the when they very a new for the camp and they can't see they don't change meter. And now them now the one change now the meter back. Now mammy now go try a man no ready to take away from for under baby don't sharp and well. They follow that a new program now. So they carry ladder them. They enter Tokyo, vanish, enter Susongo, they go now go. Still for inside thing that happen for inside pays. Some gonte they don't come out can they talk for social media talk say wait you is day before yesterday night that thing it don't pass the power. It talk say last month a landlord, a woman, he tell one born now, so it show na say the woman na equara. I'm say during childbirth. That's what they talk for big book. Talk say as the woman die, now we landlord na come on you need to stay inside the house again. You need to stay now for different places. They talk say we there for TikTok live around 12 a.m. Now we one shit down now. So here they say some person now they pound fufu. I'm say they use pistol and mortar, they pound back. He say here they know here and he pass the power. He continue life. He already hear the thing. That way he come on in your ati. Say stop the life in your ati. Say me go here. He go here and now. The thing they actually happen. True. That way he talk say he call them for now. Call and now. They go now for the when they go here the thing. As when they reach for the now so the thing now it go stop. When they come on now they will hear the thing now go start the holler back. And he talk say this woman so be our life for cook for night. So no na experience now they come on they can't cook for night. Oh now what will happen? Oh now say this woman die with some person quarrel you. So he talk say what play with day for the he don't come out run from that compound. Even as how we renewal expire the sleep and for different side. He just find a house, look and say so on different side there for them we go park go for them because what fear green for leafy make it cali for sideway a day for day because you don't know that now say the woman now will then come out to can become disturb you too. No man to now sabi. Still for inside don't know they happen for inside pays I carry enter that side for Bamunda we pass we go for Sawe Nkwen a day for day that side for New Road St. Michael Street. Chuchu talks with this boys who na electrician wey a name na Gadiocious around the 5th of April where they talk to the boys who got disappear from house till now family don't know Sawe a day for day and they talk say as the boy come out go and no even get a phone with the even call am. No man no know Sawe the fish they don't put the number for there they talk to say me look the photo fine the boy name na Gadiocious and na electrician. So they talk say if you see if any Sawe you see call them or either you take go there go for to them for black cap, red cap, green cap, you give the number for them, make they call them. They talk to them for that side for New Road for Nkwen for Bamunda. Still for inside thing that happen for inside pays one a pop on Jariba wey happen for City 6 for Douala yesterday. Massembe them. That mean say the rate of thief for that side is not that bad. People they there for inside bars, so inside their house and so you work out for outside for evening time. So pass for that kind of dark corner them. You know say they will attack you. The boy for this side, they don't upgrade now. So thief don't too much. Sabi say as in game they for inside pays so I the rate of crime you let go now. Only that's so stiff for before. So you the worker for night or you the worker for time for play light no day for day. Look out if not the boy them so they go finish shows. I say as they come on so when they want take you money, just mail say one fight them. So they just butcher you one time, or either they just choke you. They go them, they no care. So look out. Still for inside thing that happen inside pays some belle woman will come out, e go for farm. E talk say make e go find the last job wey you can keep am for inside house, so that by the time when pikin dey wan comot now, so dem can meet all the job wey dey already dey for inside house. E dey there. As mommy dey for farm now, e work with farm, dey struggle for farm. E thing dem, you wan see na the pikin now, the work now dey start domo for inside belle, dey start kick belle, dey start tell you say they wan comot, say they wan comot, so they dey tire for beef for inside belle, say they wan go for outside. They wan go see side wey the new vice president wey purport wan bring am for Cameroon, who e be. Mommy tell them say no, say make they wait small, make e find job, or make they reach for house. They go open TV for them, so make they so radio, make they hear them, or make they see am for them. They tell mommy say na lie to lie, say the thing no go work. Only for day, so they start kick that mommy belle, kick am, so they as they go kick am now, so they burst that balloon or that bolo wey they dey inside belle, na so water na start comot for that woman for them. The woman start hala. People now wey dey dey for farm now, they can't gather. As they gather now, so now with the woman start born now for that place. First pikin comot, they catch am. They see the woman see the push. The woman dey holla say something wey wan see dey, something wan see dey. Once he push am again, it comot. Just now, the twin pikin them they fine, and two baby bouncing boys them. So the pikin them they dey fine. Two strong better man pikin. They say the one can see who a vice president be, and they don't can see am. We sure say the pikin them they no go tie face, because some people don't go they talk say, oh, now young Philemon, now he go be na vice president, now Ephraim Oni, now this one, now that one. But just now, Papa P don't put my own pikin say for the talk say anything man want do am, make it do am. Now pikin go continue for you. The same thing they go do am for Gabon, Ali Bongo, Omar Bongo. Now the same thing they don't do am for Sari Mboko. The difference, now the force of experience. If you no get the kind of experience, you know if you turn up for put your pikin as vice president, and no matter how the constitution be, they go see go for inside gaga change them. So fast the member of parliament them and the senator them, they put their mob as one. Still for inside thing that happen for inside PE, I carry when I enter that side for do as ring for this one and do cancer be that too. Some people don't come and talk, so they say the do cancer now he be one of the best cancer. In fact, they say now the best cancer will get the best structure inside Mboko. So I don't know whether people they don't see different cancer them, or now they can't tell whether do cancer now get the best building or not. So we say different cancer than they, but didn't do so. They say now he get the best structure, and that structure this will be an original material. No, na quick building material. They go pick am for left and right. So which will need the matter to nothing. Tori inside Tori, I carry when I enter that side for chat. We pass go over the province where they can't say West Tangile, where they get some school for that side where they can't say Kilo Communal General School, secondary school. If you need the lewa, you talk to the people where be this school, they come out that side for Njinikijum. So they come over that side for Bimbang. That's why they go join sense. And then with some alien, they come over that side for moon. Some they come out for earth, some they come out for sun. So different kind of human being, they no man ever see them. So some put they tell someone they big, the fat the engine. If you see Lewa where they go bill and I tell you say this school no day for no place for the whole world. It pass Harvard University, it pass the best kind of university we know of inside South Africa, inside Africa as a whole. The lewa it get them say na self-sustainable. They get own electric, they use solar, then light different na all time, it get own water. Then if you see staff water them, administrative block them, all things they fine. Them say they get hospital, they always stiff inside the lewa. Pin the ball inside the lewa, and then they get work stiff inside the pin where they get them say they are sensing strong. Well, I know so when they talk now, so some people talk say, oh, senior landlord again, don't come there, I kind of lie them. That they live that so as you see this school so it is self-sustained, all thing day for day, and it's for the history of chat now the first school they ever take time they build, and so no other school no they there in South Africa where they compare this secondary school. So I say I tell when I see the name for this school na Kelo Communal General Secondary School, and the government for the country don't talk to the big school their way with the only lady one, so that make they learn book for proper way. So I say when people come off the kind of school, they go fit compete with come off for Harvard University, people will go learn book for UK, for Canada and Europe, even different Asian countries, the way for Japan, them, the China, them. AI. That means the next generation picking the way they will come up for the kind of school. Tori inside Tori, I carry when I enter that side for Nigeria, plenty in Jariba, too much for the undone. Should you talk say the day for Easter? They quarrel for them very well, around that kind of 26 people then die well. Easter, that means say around Saturday, where the break go for inside Easter, bad for them, they go attack for the period and say go west area for Benue State for Nigeria. They quarrel around 17 pedestrian now. The governor of that side don't come on, I can't confirm. They come out, they go for different sides and see for the Sunday for that Easter. They quarrel for them very well, and then plenty for them they get caught for their skin. So for that side for Nigeria, many for Boko they dey for the Fulani herdsmen with different terrorist gang them where they pack for that side for a while where they do the kind of done thing them, and the bad thing they say whenever they catch you they go put them in Sangata. After some time their government now go talk to say make them move them back, send them for inside community, say they don't already repent. But where their colleagues they see they for inside bush they quarter put them and they off. Sometimes we don't be way they pass way men them for Nigerian army they go now for go fight the bad for them. So as it happens, say that now they go for go fight. The helicopter where they dey for inside the China we go get now some problem. So now see the big army general we dey for inside we go for that mission. Play where be hide for the be send location now for inside their office for say make they can take in now they go to them for office. But it say happen and say who will they say go take now the big man now so now he say that men them for inside that bad boy them where show now say as the man send that info now for inside office and they say now that bad boy wey mean I say what the bad boy who they do for inside their own soul get them. So the bad boy they for all side. I mean say for Nigeria for Tana fine it go really take time. I'm saying go need a president where it be very disciplined. But when you talk say when they catch bad man, make they just ball you one time. So that kind of thing be. Then they check inside the government very well. Any person wey get hand wey dey support bad for them, make they just quarrel one time. The only way that way insecurity go stop inside side when Nigeria dey for the. If not, you only continue to hear the same story. So I say no na today we start to very long time. I say wetin this time for under the Tinubu regime, the thing it don't worse. Tori inside Tori, I carry one enter that site for Senegal. Their government in our prime minister, they don't call they write some book. They talk say because of this war will happen inside Iran, Israel, America touch half a day as don't make enough price for things, they don't go up price for petrol, don't go up. So they don't talk to it for make and say make their economy no over too strong. They don't talk to before any government official they want come off out of the country. That is the matter must show now say the thing be urgent and it be important. If not, they don't already ban non-essential travels. That say something don't make sense. You cause you know I want to go to the country, I want to go for that, I want to go. They talk say no, say they don't want them again. The many man be for play will be until when the thing already passed, country don't balance before that they fit check some kind of sense. So I'm saying that side for Senegal to price for petrol to don't go up. To the talk with you don't around that kind of 940 francs because of this war where they happen for sideway Iran a day for day. Still for inside the very matter I carry when I enter that side for Niger. For Niger, their president, you don't talk to it. Whether war day or you know the price for petrol inside the country, it no go change. Till now, the money that's what still there. They say they even talk about it, even reduce and say go down, say maybe that kind of 490 or 400 something. Because you know one say maybe people them they suffer whether war day for that place or you know this. I be say time where the war we just start for Russia and Ukraine, some country them they will add price for their petrol. But wait till now, so the war they see fight for the very important, they don't go reduce now the price. So we don't know why we they think this. So whenever bro there for some side they just run down so go at price now for petrol. And I say government now they use now they win now for take money put that inside a quao, which will only near two nothing year. Tori inside Tori, I can't enter that side from Malawi. According to Chuchu, the government for that side they don't talk to it. If to say they catch any person where they do by force ministry work, you go do by force ministry work again for small picking them. They talk to it. You say they go castrate you. That means say they go now for your toto now. They go make them the way they think now. You know go they work again. You go get toto the toto there, but all that you only they sleep. Now firstly you know go feel work again. Some people they don't come out and they glad now. Some people they want to come out they kind of talk to it. You say you know fine. So the only need the matter to nothing here. But if you look at people there, they work and they do ministry work for small picking them. you know, say what your government they really need for stand up for up. They put some very strong danger rule for this. So any person before you go do am, you know, say nothing that way you go meet up and the castration there so be like say to an extent now you go find so that it go completely stop the crime and for stop for once. So the only thing you to for here, although human rights watch you don't come and keep talks with you, that kind of thing so you know fine. So we don't know whether the government now for Malawi and their parliament they go last now put na the law for down or they go bring us another one now for balance am. So which only year two na for year. Still for inside the attack the way they happen for Nigeria for day for Easter, I carry when I enter that side for Kaduna State, she talks with 5 people plus. One day where they can get wound them plenty, one day they say quiet that side for Warabita, men them for Boko too, that men them for Fulani herdsmen, the bad people them, they go attack for them that night, they quarra that 5 them, then they catch around 31 for them, they go down for inside bush, burn their house them. So we don't know what way Nigeria it turn into. So when they take and they go down for inside bush, they say they ask money, you answer the year now 100 million them, 50 million, and then when they very put tell them money now, they go start do video now, they show now for Facebook, sometimes they go for TikTok, they even go live self to show them money for the. We don't know why they go for that side, they not fit track that put why now see their own hand today to for the till now. No man, you know Sabi. Still for inside the very Nigeria, this guy so they call it which is Shem Kuti on a year with Itokam. My father Fela will still be alive if he were a traditional man and kept his women only to himself. He allowed them to go out with other men and they eventually infected him with it. Sabi say na pikin that so, na pa that so. Pa be there die and the man don't come carry key talks which say if pa be die na 8 way show and say one of the woman they be go fast and they go carry that signal they can't give pa. That thing make her now if pa kwara he talks which like if pa for see they alive today. Sabi say anything wey concern the family na only picking them for inside that house they know if he still be in a trouble because wait the 8 he don't ever keep plenty put them so for inside Africa. Sometimes they will man go take care of herself, now woman go carry him, can give. Sometimes they will now woman go take care of herself, now man go carry him, can give just because you palava cheating. People they don't like for stay for one place and sabi say till now, they know I see you get medicine where it cure HIV and AIDS. So if you really hear na say wait na cooler, when I think it go make and say make they say no catch you left and right till now, no medicine, no see this. So when you live your life anyhow, just expect you to say you go to die too anyhow. Still for inside matter, the war where it fight for that side for Iran versus Israel. I carry when I enter that side for Burkina Faso. For that side, price for no nothing, you never go up. Captain Ibrahim Traore, they don't maintain oil price. It talks with year and well market, they not get no business. Whoever add price for petrol for inside country, to Adam, as far as a country be concerned, price for no nothing, you know the add whether na price for chop, price for weight, price for petrol, price for light, price for water. It's not you know the add. Sabi say if the man don't make say school na free inside Burkina Faso, if the woman them they born for free. When you sick, you go pay them some small money so for say Warabita, it dey for the. Sabi say any country where they care about their citizens them, they need to go add them price for petrol for because wait the place where the petrol they come out for the way they fight for the nobody in your country. Then you go add price and I say it consider your own country now how. Sabi say so different country they add price, no man no they care, no man no they know. And when the war is only the fight goes more than a very important the whole corner they go reduce price. Say war is also still fight. So one talk to you, Captain Ibrahim Traore say your place this. I be saying now the whole thing go for in front before Taiwan can reach. That's why only country the grown and for grow and will continue to pray. Say may God continue to keep Captain Ibrahim Traore stronger. Tori inside Tori, I can enter for Siphon Damba according to Chuchu and Dick Note. This man so they call and say Lumumba via a football program with that site for Democratic Republic of Congo, which is the damn say player them and people they support them, but they don't talk say make government give this man a special status. Damn say we go fit get visa for enter South America, go for go support them for South World Cup. If they say small time, that cup it will start play and then like and say wait he made the Lumumba via a day for the because of what you wait to do for time for AFCON. Still inside the very Palavan Damba we meet up Andre Onana just now Chuchu the comot toxicity Bayern Mönchengladbach. One can sign this man carry and go for that side for Germany. So placing for dinner we go in small time. So I say small time a contract here and this Trabzon sport the thing they can finish and Manchester United play say they don't have to put it inside their squad again. We say China say na for battle so if one go that side for Germany for different club, that means they go find for you so that the power we get am inside here and the sense for cash ball e go continue to now for the go for before so that you to now go fit do wonders to now for up that side we go to for Germany for that side. Still for inside Palavandamba, 19 he told us so. The man they play ball for Villarreal B, I'm say under 23. They played some match last time against Mabella. So say the match be drop, they strong well. So when they put the boy for inside fee, the boy come in only 9 minutes. He score one goal, as he score one goal, now so the chapter close the match, play, so the match now. He go balling, show now see what he follow the footstep then way Papa to don't keep him. He look out and they go for in front or small. One day, you can get big name to know for inside side when Damba. He day for days. I'm saying so way football day, you need plenty discipline, you need plenty training, and you need plenty say may your brain focus on top of the football. As with Cristiano Ronaldo, he do am. My people, I will leave the story for when you come off inside quarter and go bring and that's so still will chakaram. Remember, say what update now back to back. Shake, no the water, go leave stone.